Assalamualaikum viewers, you are watching live English content. It's Uzma. Today you are going to learn some different things, and it's a very different topic for you and it's very informative. Before watching this video, kindly subscribe my channel first, and here are some examples for you. You can understand properly. First of all, you have to see this. This is did and this is was and this is were. Actually these are helping verb. In different word we also call it auxiliary verb. First we talk about did. Did actually we use in simple past tense. Whenever we make any negative sentence, we put did with not. Okay, and here is was were. Actually, if we want to understand the meaning of this words, these means exist or lie. It means we use it to show the existence of anything, and we use it with adjective, noun, or any pronoun. It is also show past condition of anything. First we talk about did example. Here is example for you. My teacher did not teach yesterday. Here I am using not with did. Okay, and here is the question form. When we make any question, we put did at first. Like here, you can see did we complete our project. And here's the example for was were. Positive sentence, you can see that he was a player. This is the existence of this boy. Okay, so this is also showing the past time. He was a player. And the negative sentence, they were not accepted. It is done right now. We put not with was or were. Okay, here is more example for you. Where should we use was or were? There are some subjects like I, he, she, it, any singular noun. With that we use was. And were according to the subject. You, we, they, plural noun. Okay, these all are for were. For today, I think it's sufficient for you. You must have learned more. Kindly subscribe my channel, share it. Thank you.